How to solve Telegram connecting issues. So if you want to solve the Telegram connecting issues, then the first thing you need to do is check your internet connection. And even after checking the internet connection, if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just open up your Play Store or your App Store. Go with search. Under search, you need to search for Telegram. Once you've searched here, you will have the application. So you just need to simply go with update if you have any updates and you need to update the application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and tap and hold on to that Telegram application. Go with the app info and go with storage and cache. Go with clear cache. Once you've cleared the cache, now you need to restart your device. And even after that, if that doesn't fix your problem, then tap on force stop and then tap on OK. Once you force stop it, you just need to simply restart, and after that, your problem will be fixed. But even after that, if that doesn't, then just use a VPN, and after using a VPN, then you'll solve your issue. That's how you can solve Telegram connecting issue, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.